Have you ever wondered how to create fun and engaging ABCD cartoon videos for kids? Whether you're an educator, a content creator, or just someone who loves animation, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create stunning, educational kids content just like this, completely free. And the best part? You don't need any expensive tools or editing skills. Let me show you how it's done. The first thing you need is a great song idea. To make things easy, we'll use ChatGPT. Simply type in this prompt. Create a lively and entertaining alphabet song that helps kids learn A to Z through rhymes, repetition, and a captivating tune. Once ChatGPT generates the lyrics, review them and tweak them if necessary. Next, we need visuals to go along with the song. Since this is an alphabet song, we need an image for each letter. Ask ChatGPT. Generate 26 separate text prompts to create fun, vibrant, 3D style images for each letter of the alphabet. Once you get your prompts, it's time to generate the images. I recommend using Hailuo AI. It's an underrated gem for creating high-quality, kid-friendly visuals. Here's how to do it. 1. Log in to Hailuo AI or create a free account. 2. Select the Phoenix 1.0 model for high-quality results. 3. Choose 3D render as your style. 4. Set the image dimensions to 16:9 for the best video format. 5. Paste your first prompt for letter A and generate the image. 6. Repeat the process for all 26 letters. Now that we have our lyrics and visuals, it's time to bring them to life with music. The best free AI tool for this is Suno AI. Here's how to generate your custom song. 1. Go to Suno AI and sign up for free credits. 2. Copy and paste the song lyrics. 3. Turn on custom. 4. Choose the V4 model for the best results. 5. Select a genre. If unsure, ask ChatGPT for suggestions. 6. Give your song a title like ABC Animal Adventure, a fun learning song. 7. Click Create and wait for Suno AI to generate 2 versions of the song. Once the song is ready, listen and pick the best version. Now that we have our song and images, it's time to turn them into a video. We'll use a free AI tool called Hailuo AI to animate our images. 1. Sign in or create a free account. 2. Choose frame. 3. Upload your first image, letter A. 4. Add a description using the text prompt ChatGPT to enhance the animation. 5. Click Generate and wait for the video clip. 6. Repeat for all 26 images. Hailuo AI gives you free credits daily, but if you run out, just sign in with another email to continue. Now, let's combine the images, animations, and song into a polished video. We'll use CapCut for editing. 1. Open CapCut and create a new project. 2. Upload your song first. This helps with syncing visuals. 3. Add the video clips in order, aligning them with the lyrics. 4. Crop out watermarks, if any, for a cleaner look. 5. Fine-tune timing by trimming and adjusting clips to match the song. 6. Once satisfied, export the final video in 4K for the best quality. And that's it. You've just created your very own Faceless Kids YouTube video for free. If you found this helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next AI content creation hack. See you in the next video.